Welcome to the Apple Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is November 1st, 2024, and we've got a lineup of intriguing stories from the world of Apple technology. From advancements in GPU drivers to financial results and strategic shifts, there's plenty to discuss. Links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Alyssa Rosenzweig has made significant strides with the Apple M1 and M2 GPU drivers, as shared at the Xorg Developers Conference 2024. Written in Rust, the driver now boasts OpenGL 4.6 conformance and supports tessellation shaders, though hardware limitations still pose challenges. Rosenzweig humorously recounted the complexities of converting C++ tessellation code into OpenCLC, achieving impressive performance gains. Additionally, Vulkan 1.3 conformance has been achieved, paving the way for AAA gaming on these GPUs. Despite hurdles in translating DirectX to Vulkan, Rosenzweig demonstrated games like Portal and The Witcher 3 running on the M1 Max, with plans to support M3 in the future. In a concerning revelation, Jeff Johnson's blog post highlights a potential privacy issue with Apple's iCloud Keychain. After updating to macOS Sonoma, Johnson discovered that iCloud Keychain was enabled without his consent, uploading passwords to iCloud. Despite disabling the feature, his passwords remained accessible on other devices. Johnson criticized Apple's unclear documentation on deleting keychain data and suggested using MDM profiles to prevent unauthorized enabling of the feature. Apple's financial results for the fourth quarter of fiscal 2024 show a record revenue of $94.9 billion, a 6% increase from last year. Despite a significant one-time tax charge in Europe, Apple's earnings per share rose, driven by strong sales of new products like the iPhone 16 and Apple Watch Series 10. The services segment also hit an all-time high, reflecting robust customer engagement. Apple plans to phase out Broadcom chips by 2025, developing in-house components to reduce supplier dependency, a move that aligns with their strategy of enhancing control over their ecosystem. Apple's growth has influenced its decision-making, focusing on scale rather than individual preferences. Recent updates to accessories like the Magic Keyboard and mouse reflect this, as costly redesigns for minor issues are deemed unnecessary. The discontinuation of the iPhone mini, despite its loyal following, underscores Apple's focus on maximizing revenue from successful product lines. A user on the Apple Community Forum is grappling with forgotten security question answers, raising concerns about account security. The user fears having used passwords as answers and is frustrated by the lack of a resolution. This highlights the challenges of recovering account access without correct security information. Peloton has appointed Peter Stern, a former Apple executive, as its new CEO. Stern's experience in scaling subscription services is expected to guide Peloton towards a service-oriented future. The company reported strong financial results, with a notable increase in subscription revenue, and anticipates positive cash flow moving forward. A CNBC analysis reveals the staggering returns on investments in tech stocks over the past 25 years. Nvidia leads with a $10,000 investment in 1999, now worth over $32 million. Apple also features prominently, with significant returns, though experts advise a diversified investment strategy to mitigate market risks. A paper presented at the ENLSP workshop at NeurIPS 2024 explores the computational challenges of training small-scale large language models. The study provides insights into optimizing training efficiency, particularly for low-resource AI research institutions, and highlights a gap in research on smaller models. Willem L. Middelkoop shares his experience of using an Apple Watch Ultra 2 as a smartphone replacement. While the watch's cellular capabilities offer independence from an iPhone, challenges like frequent charging remain. Middelkoop advocates for a balance between connectivity and minimalism. Winmail Viewer Dat Opener is a Mac app designed to manage winmail.dat files, often sent by Microsoft Outlook. The app allows users to extract and view file contents easily, supporting various file types and ensuring privacy with no data collection. Priced at $2.99, it supports multiple languages and offers family sharing. That's all for today's episode of the Apple Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful and engaging. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us again tomorrow for more updates from the world of Apple technology. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.